back, kids, for the second session of IT sentences. In today's session, we will be revising and writing few more different sentences and also do an activity related to it. In previous session, we had learned it, that is IT. It is one of a two-letter word and it describes different objects, while the sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. The first image is of a vase. It is a vase, V-A-S-E, and a full stop at the end of the sentence. Next is a bell. So the sentence would be IT. It is a bell. B-E-L-L. Bell and a full stop at the end. Next image is of an umbrella. It is an umbrella. An umbrella because U is an vowel. Next, we have a fish. So the sentence is, it is a fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. And a full stop at the end. Now, let's practice writing few sentences. We shall start with today's date. That is 1.9.20. Now the heading, 2 finger space, capital I, small t, 1 finger space, sentences S, E, N, T, E, N, C, E, S. It, sentences. Now today again we will be writing 5 sentences. So let's number them. 1 cross 2 cross 3 cross 4 cross 5. Hope you have already drawn the line to draw the images. First image, we will draw a small curve and a big curve. Then sleeping lines one by one like this. Neatly draw the lines. Now standing lines. Can you recognize what are we drawing? We are drawing an igloo. It's a small house built from blocks of hard snow. It is also known as snow house, and Eskimos stay in this house. Now a cross over here. The second image. Draw 2 sleeping lines and join the lines with a standing line on the either side. Then draw sleeping lines like this on both the sides. Now a small flower in the middle. This is a door mat. It is a piece of material that we place in front of the door on which we can clean our shoes before going inside. Now put a cross and the next image. First make a oval shape, then joining it make a U shape. Now make slanting lines like this. This is a broom. It is a brush with long handle which is used for removing dirt on the floor. Now a cross. In the next image, make two slanting lines like this. Join both slanting lines from below and top. Now keep your pencils in the middle and make a triangle like this. This is a axe. It is a tool with a wooden handle and a sharp edge used for cutting wood. Now put a cross again. The next image, make a sleeping line. Then one more small sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, and a straight line and join the below sleeping line and make a standing line over here. Then two circles, 1, 2, and make strokes inside the circles like this. I hope you have recognized it. Make a standing line and two squares on the either side of the standing line. This is a car. Now let's start writing the sentences. The first image is of an igloo. So the sentence would be I capital small t one finger space I s is. And now igloo starts with I. So we will be writing A N, an igloo. I G L O O and a full stop. It is an igloo. Next image is of a mat. So that sentence is I capital small t one finger space I s is a one finger space mat M A T mat and a full stop at the end of the sentence. So the sentence is it is a mat. Next image is of a broom. So the sentence is I capital small t I s is one finger space a
one finger space, broom. B R O O M. Broom. Full stop at the end of the sentence. It is a broom. Next image is of an axe. I capital small t one finger space I S is. Now X starts with alphabet A. So we will write A N. An. One finger space X. A X E. X. And a full stop. It is an axe. Next image is of a car. I capital small t one finger space is. I S is. One finger space a. Car. C A R. Car. Full stop. It is a car.
Kids, I hope by now you are comfortable making sentences using the two-letter word, that is it. I-T, it. Now, let's do an activity.
Children, can you see different images on the chart paper? In this activity, we will be making sentences by picking the correct word and placing them according to the image. The first image is of an ice cream. So let's pick up the words. I-T, it. I-S, is. Here, ice cream starts from alphabet I. So, we have to pick up an because I is a vowel. I-C-E, cream, C-R-E-A-M. Let's place it. It is A-N, an ice cream. Next is a car. So, let's pick up the words. I-T, it. I-S is, and now car starts from C, so it is not a vowel. So, a, card, C-A-R, car. I-T, it. I-S is, a, car, C-A-R, car, and a full stop. Next image is an apple. So, let's pick up the words. I-T, it. I-S is. Your apple starts from alphabet A, which is a vowel. So, A-N, an apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. So, let's place it is A-N, an apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple, and a dot. The last image is of a ball. So we already have the sentence. It is a ball. B-A-L-L, ball. So let's place it. It is a ball with a full stop at the end.
So children, do remember, a sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Do practice writing these sentences in your notebooks. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.